How to unhide hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now long press any chat to see lock chat option. For that, tap on these three dots and you will find the lock chat option. Select that. Tap on continue. Now use Face ID, Touch ID or your device unlock method to lock it. Once locked, the chat will disappear from your chat list. Now you want to swipe down on the chat screen to reveal the lock chat section. Go ahead and select the lock chat option. Then you will have to unlock your chat by using Face ID or Touch ID. Now to create hidden lock chats, tap on the three dots and here select chat lock settings. Now you want to turn on the secret code option. So go ahead and enter your secret code over here, then tap on next. Enter it one more time to confirm, then tap on done. After enabling a secret code, locked chats no longer appear even when you swipe down. To reveal hidden chats, you will have to type the secret code. WhatsApp will unlock and show all hidden locked chats once the code matches. Anyone who doesn't know the secret code cannot access those hidden chats. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.